Welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're doing another installment of This Is Not Barbecue. This is just a series of videos that recipes I like that are not grilled or barbecued or anything like that. So hope you guys enjoy. We're doing corned beef hash. Nice, easy recipe anyone could do. Very, very simple, very fast. Great to do with your leftover corned beef on St. Patrick's Day. Enjoy, guys. All right, guys. So, as you can see, I got two medium-sized potatoes, medium to small-sized potatoes, right? And this is great if you got leftover potatoes, maybe from dinner from the prior night. But anyway, I didn't. So I just took these, I washed them, I poked some holes into them, I threw them in the microwave. You could put them in the oven, whatever have you. This is the easier way to do it. Now, if you're going to do it all in the pan, I suggest you really get this cut up finely, because it's going to be a while that cooking in the pan. This is a 1, 2, 3 way to do it. These went in the microwave just for a couple minutes. Now all I'm going to do is just cut them into nice little pieces. Now there's no wrong or right way to cut this. It's all on your preference. All right. You can see it's still hot, this potato. That's okay. All we're going to do, I'm just cutting them into little quarters here. I'm quartering these slices. So I got a tablespoon of butter in the pan. Feel free to use oil. I like butter when it comes to breakfast. That's just me, personal preference. So I got a couple slices of onion. And I got my potatoes. They're all ready to go. I'm going to dump everything in at the same time. And we're going to let this cook. That's it. We're going to let that soak up some of that nice butter flavor. We're going to let these aromatics in the onion. We're going to let it get nice and translucent. And let this go for a little while. In the meantime, we're going to get our corned beef prepped. This is some corned beef I made the other day. I'm just going to cut it up. Now, there's no right or wrong way to do this, okay? It's all personal preference. So you cut it the way you want to eat it, basically. All right, so all I did was I just cubed them up. Cubed them up into little pieces. I'm just going to wait for the potatoes to cook up, crisp up a little bit, and the onions to break down before I throw this corned beef in, all right? We're working on our potatoes and onions right now at this time. Now it's up to you if you want to season your potatoes up a little bit. I'm just going to put a little seasoning on. I'm going to roll with this Stubbs beef. Now, this has sea salt, sugar, onions, molasses, garlic, tomato powder, paprika, ground chili, ground coffee. So, I'm just going to put a little bit. But it's totally up to you. It's not something you have to do. This is something I'm doing. Once I see those onions start getting soft, seeing a little crust start developing on the potatoes, I'm happy with it. So I'm just going to go and add my corned beef now. Nice and easy. And one thing I'm going to add to it is some Lee & Perrins Worcestershire. Now listen, this is the best Worcestershire in my opinion. I think it taste-wise, it tastes better than the others, Heinz, whatever. These guys been around forever. As per the bottle, 1835. Wow, 1835. So anyway, I'm just going to add about a teaspoon in. That's it. It's going to give it a nice flavor also. Alright guys, I'm just going to work everything in. Let this go. Medium to high heat for a couple minutes. I can see some nice browning on the potatoes. I kind of let it sit. Then I flip them. Let it sit. Flip them. But let's give it a try. Let's flip it and see what it looks like. Alright. You can see everything is getting some nice color on it. At this point, I am happy It's up to you. You know, you want it to go longer, go longer. You want it, some people like to flatten it down. By all means, knock yourself out. But right now, I am happy. I'm just going to scoop everything out. The best part to this cook is I got some leftovers for tomorrow or later in the week. That's it, guys. This is easy to do. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna have a nice, delicious recipe. And that's it. Definitely encourage you guys to try this. Thank you guys for watching. And until next time, you enjoy. Be safe. Take care.